Hello and welcome back to In Your Defense. I'm attorney Steve Toland. We're going to continue our series here on immigration statutes. Now that over the last month we've seen a 300% increase in immigration-related arrests thanks to an executive order that's enacted by our governor and followed through by national agencies. And so it begs the question of how does some of these immigration statutes work and how can they impact you and your family? So we talked before about alien smuggling and how broad that statute is. Let's talk about another one called improper entry of an alien. That's 1325, Title 8, 1325 of the Immigration Code. So this statute works like this. Have you ever ridden in a car with somebody and they try and go around a checkpoint, they want to avoid it? Or you're riding in a car and somebody with you, maybe they're studying in college but they don't have status here, or maybe their visa expired and they misrepresent sort of the expiration date of their visa, or they misrepresent maybe where they're studying or what they're doing, and it seems innocuous. It actually might not be that innocuous after all. Those are examples of violations potentially of that statute. So if you misrepresent a material fact, or if you try and avoid detection at a checkpoint, even if it's pretty benign in the middle of the day, all those are violations of this statute. Another violation of this statute that we hear about, we see it in romantic comedies and movies all the time, is marriage fraud. This is where you'll find the examples of marriage fraud. If you engage, or if you marry somebody for the sole purpose of trying to avoid any type of immigration penalties, provisions, requirements, anything like that, you potentially have committed marriage fraud and are subject to criminal penalties. Also, any entrepreneurship, they call it immigration-related entrepreneurship fraud. That's a big fancy legal word for just basically saying if you set up a business and in the course of that business, part of your purpose is to avoid some immigration laws, not smuggling in aliens or anything like that, maybe just helping somebody extend their visa a little bit longer when they're on a valid student visa, or maybe a matchmaking service and you're not really inquiring how much these two people really love each other. All those could subject you to criminal liability under this broad statute of 1325. So those are just some of the ways that statute can impact you. If you or a loved one have any questions about these areas, about any of the immigration statutes we've talked about here on In Your Defense, I really encourage you to reach out to me, attorney Steve Toland, or us here at Pekin Toland. We're always glad to help.